Hey everyone, Sunny Sharde here with
Hubs.
And we just picked up some beer because we're going back to Koya's place to try some sisig.
For the first time.
Yeah, Hubs hasn't had sisig before, even though in the Kamayan video he said he didn't like sisig. You actually
I
thought...
was wrong. It was actually, what is that one?
Pinakbit.
Pinakbit. That's the one I don't like.
Yes.
So, there you go. There you go.
So he's actually gonna try it for the first time. Definitely interested in seeing his reaction. Check out the Kamayan video if you haven't already. I'll put a link in the description below. And let's go ahead and head over there.
So as it was explained to me, sisig is chopped up pig's face. It's kind of fried, crispy, salty. They serve it with calamansi. So it's really, really good. And I'm looking forward to seeing what it's all about. We're gonna use several meats that I understand at Koya's place. And I've never had any of them, so this should be really, really interesting for me.
So we have the regular sisig baboy, which is made with the pig's face. And then sisig ampalaya, which is the one made with bitter melon. You want to try the sisig
I
first?
do. It's,
Oh wait, let me put calamansi on it.
Oh yeah.
So we have the calamansi juice packets.
You need one for each, right?
Yeah. And calamansi is a Filipino lime. It's kind of small, almost like a key lime. Alright, let's try that. We've got onions in here, garlic.
That's good. Good. So when I said I didn't like sisig, it's totally wrong. That music though.
It's very crispy. And we can get it. You can get it with mayonnaise and with an egg on top, but we just got it just the regular style.
Oh, this is good. I'm becoming more and more Filipino every day. That was a good bite. That calamansi makes it real nice and tangy. Really like that. I can see why it's so good with beer. What's that called?
Which?
The food that you do with beer?
Pulutan.
Pulutan.
Yeah.
There you go.
So.
I can see why it's pulutan.
Yeah. Sisig's one of them. There's others too.
It's good.
I'm gonna try the one.
Koya. Let's try some of this. Oh, and what is this again?
Bitter melon.
Bitter
melon. Liver.
Bitter melon
liver.
and chicken liver. All right. See what this one's all about.
Ooh, this one I could do with rice. Are you okay?
I see why they call it bitter melon. It's pretty intense. You know, how about I eat this one and you eat that one?
Okay. Yeah, because I really like bitter melon. I didn't used to like it as a kid, but as an adult, I got used to it and I really like it now. Oh yeah, so this must be the last one.
Yes, this is the last one.
We just got the seafood sisig as well. Squids. It's like a fish.
Fish,
Is
it's
that
got mussels in it.
Shrimp.
Yeah.
That's gonna be good.
Got my rice here.
Mmm.
Voy a poner el pero. Dang, I'm ready to eat the seafood one.
What is this? Rice. I don't usually eat rice. Let's see. Nope, that's not gonna change.
Well, some people, as glutan, they don't eat. Well, some people don't eat the rice with sisig. They'll just eat it and then drink beer. But
you eat rice with everything.
I like I like rice.
Nice and crispy. I like that.
So let us know in the comments below what your favorite glutan is.
Yeah. Then I can try those too. Let's leave out the ones with bitter melon.
I think it's just an acquired taste.
Definitely. Just haven't quite acquired it yet.
Let's try the seafood because I don't want it to get too cold. So it looks like we have tilapia, oysters. Is it baby squid? Is it maybe squid or octopus? I can't tell.
There's 8. I suppose that's octopus.
Yeah, so tilapia, mussels, shrimp, oysters.
Pretty much if it's from the sea and you like it, we have it. I guess I'll go with one of these first.
Yeah, yeah. Like that one?
Yeah. Scallops too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So what characterizes sisig? Like between these 3 dishes, I don't see something that's kind of common. It's just the fact that they're fried together.
Well, usually there's like soy sauce, garlic, and calamansi. Like that's a must. Like a citrus, any kind of citrus.
Oh man, baked mussels, really good.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Try one. Ooh, this is a big one.
Really good. and then we got a little squid ring. Calamari. Man, there's a lot of it. We got our work cut out for us. I know you want that one. Ooh, 3 for 1. I always love calamari.
I think we both really like the seafood one.
Yeah, I might say that's my favorite.
I've never had seafood sisig.
Maybe if we had a little more calamansi, it'd be perfect.
Oh yeah.
I think we're out of the juice.
I think so.
Oh, we got a little. Right. Now we're talking.
Yeah. Because it really needs.
It's that tartness.
Yeah.
Very nice. Mmm.
I didn't get a. What's it called?
Scallop?
Scallop. There you go.
We got one now. Pretty good, right?
If it was just like scallop sisig, whoa.
Oh yeah. That's an idea. Wow, that's a great idea. So skillful. Let's go back to this traditional one. Grab some meat.
Get a little bit too.
See, it's got that twang from the calamansi because I put a lot on this one.
Yeah.
I accidentally emptied the whole packet. Really good. Super tart, huh?
Yeah.
Oops. I couldn't stab it.
Yeah. Because you want that sourness.
Really brings out the other flavors. Let's have another one of these.
I'm actually eating it like ulam, which is the dish that you eat with rice.
Every dish is ulam for you, though.
How are we doing?
Doing great.
Good.
Can I get you anything?
Oh, can we get an extra calamansi packet, please?
Just one?
Yeah,
Just one.
Thank you.
That'll do it.
There you go. Yeah, it would be nice to have fresh calamansi, but it's hard to get that here in Texas.
I've only seen it once, I guess.
Well, my parents, they have, they grow calamansi,
Right.
but I don't think they have any fruit right now.
Yeah. The baby octopus is great with it. That tanginess completely takes it from like, you know, an 8 or 9 dish all the way up.
Yep.
Very good.
I say so. You want this mussel here?
No, you can have it.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm about to switch gears back to the meat. That was good. So this one's a little less showy. This is more what we're really like. How do you like that beer? You've never had it before, huh?
It's good. It's not too I mean, I don't like really heavy beers. So
Yeah.
I like this.
It's a nice light lager. When you get some of the charred pieces, that bold char flavor with the calamansi, perfect, man.
Oh, let's put them two together, and then we can leave the ampalaya one out.
I wish I liked the ampalaya, I just don't.
Some more fish.
Yeah. Still one of these. Octopus. That tartness again really sells it.
She gonna eat the shrimp. You want shrimp?
Go for it. Oh, that was a perfectly tart bite. Oh my god, that was what it's all about right there. One more piece of seafood, and then I gotta call it. Find a scallop somewhere.
There's that one.
Oh, and a good one too. You ready for this? Oh man, I love scallops. I didn't realize I liked them so much. I have to make them for you more often.
So, how would you order this from your favorite to least favorite?
Alright, favorite to least favorite. See, this is difficult, right? So this one, the traditional one, is probably going to be my favorite. It's got that nice savory meatiness to it. The char on the back of the pork is tremendous when it's mixed with the calamansi. So you get the nice char, the savory kind of roasted char taste. Plus the garlic and all gives it a lot of good flavor. Then from there I'd have to go to the seafood, pretty much like it's ordered. Have to go to the seafood, especially with those scallops. I know the shrimp would be delicious. I'm a mussel guy versus an oyster guy, but otherwise I would say this, the ampalaya. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that
Like
one,
a
guys.
-10 or something.
If I'm placing them, it's definitely 1, 2, not on the charts. So how's that? I mean, I want to like buttermelon, I do, but oh my god. I'll let you have it, or you have it.
Yeah, we'll take this home and I'll eat the ampalaya.
How are you gonna rank them? I bet you.
See, I've never had the seafood one. Before, it was just regular sisig baboy.
Sisig baboy?
Yeah,
Baboy.
baboy is pig. Or
Okay, baboy.
I think Pampangan, it's babi.
Baboy?
Let me know in the comments below for all the Pampangans
Help us out.
there. But the seafood one's up there. I mean, I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. But it's up there. It's up there. My
Well,
last swig.
yeah, right at the bottom too. Shall we? That swig.
I know.
She got a bigger swig than I do.
Okay,
She
now.
thought it was the last one.
I thought it was.
Here, I'll find some drops.
No.
That didn't work out, did it?
Okay, this is the last swig.
So tell us if you've ever had this seafood style, and out of all the different ways that you've tried it, what's your favorite? Put that in the comments for us. I'd like to hear for sure. And if we haven't had it today, I'd love to try it at some point, because this is pretty good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I like this. So that about wraps up my first sisig experience. I hope you can leave some suggestions about the different kind of sisigs that you've had before and what you think about them, and we will possibly try it in the future.
Yeah, and let us know in the comments below what you would like the hubs to try.
Yep, because I might do it.
Below.
Oh, no, not doing that. Those poor little chicks. I mean, what the? Come on. Come on.
All right, we'll see everyone next time.
Bye.
Bye.